Previously on Vlogmas Day 7, we do some house chores, then get ready to go to Barnes & Nobles to do some editing, and lastly, make a quick stop at Target to return some items. Let's get ready for Vlogmas Day 8. Vlogmas Day 8. Vlogmas Day 8. Vlogmas Day 8. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, let me hear you guys say it. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up and that bell so that each and every time I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. Welcome guys to Vlogmas Day 8. As you could tell, I'm so exhausted, guys. I'm tired, okay? Like, I don't know, for some reason I could not sleep last night. And I had to be up early because your girl, we are going to the gym. We're going back to our healthy routine, guys. I know I've been slacking since Thanksgiving, but now back to workout routine. So we're gonna go to the gym. I'm not even sure if I could record there. If I can, I will. If not, then you guys, I'm just gonna have to catch you guys when I get back from the gym. But I'm in the car now and we are about to head out. So, ooh, it's cold. All right, guys, let's go to the gym.
2 hours later.
Ah! Oh my gosh. Yo, today was no joke. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Guys, this was, I can't even talk. No joke, like, I'm dead. I'm dead. My trainer, I can't stand you right now. I know you're gonna be watching this. I cannot stand you. I can't stand you. Literally, I'm in pain, okay, guys? Oh my gosh, today was high intensity. Remind you, my class was only supposed to be 45 minutes long. Guys, we went over. An hour and 10 minutes! Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Y'all, I didn't even want to get up the, oh my goodness. I'm so sore. I didn't even want to get up this morning. Yo, I hate everything we did today. We did chest press. Oh my gosh. Dumbbell swings. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's kettlebell swings, dumbbell swings, kettlebell swings. Oh my gosh. We did Joe ladders. We did burpees. Yo, the worst. I'm like, I can't. I'm out of breath. I can't, guys. All right. I'm gonna go home, guys. I'm gonna go home. I'll talk to y'all later. Today might just be a boring vlog because I really don't know what I'm doing today. It's still rainy. It's still gloomy. It's still nasty out. And honestly, after this workout, I don't plan on doing anything. So, I don't know what to tell y'all. Y'all might just get a 2-second vlog today. I'm sorry. Because, baby, I'm not feeling it. All right, I'll catch y'all when I get home. Bye.
Some live for the bill, some kill for the bill. She whine for the bill, grind for the bill.
She used to be sweet.
Some steal for the bill, they gotta pay the bill.
She used to be
Tonight's my clef bacon, Wizzy on the bill. One man, one city, one night, one street, one journey, one dream. One chance, one opportunity, you know get that's the matter one be. Nobody can be like me. So many sacrifices.
Hey guys, alright, so it's about what, 2 to 3 hours since I got home. I think the last clip you guys saw was me taking a shower after the gym. But after that, guys, I literally had to lay down and rest because my body is achy. Like today's gym workout, oh my gosh, it's like painful. Like, oh my gosh, my body's screaming bloody murder. Like, it's so bad. Like, my arms hurt, my legs, my glutes, my abs, everything. Like, it was a full body workout and it was high intensity. So I was aggravated, especially because the weather, it's been raining. It's just, so annoyed. So I had to lay down, get my thoughts together, took a quick cat nap, edited some stuff on my phone for TikTok. And then, yeah, so now I'm up, guys. I decided after showering to put my pajamas on. So I'm in the festive mood. I have like my Christmas pajamas on. You guys seen these pajamas before, because I usually like to wear robes. You guys know I love robes, but my robes are dirty. So I'm about to just do laundry, wash everything, and then after that, guys, I really don't have anything that I'm doing today. Yeah, I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. This vlog is really going to be boring and probably really short because I literally have nothing to do today. Let me think. Okay, so after laundry, I'm going to do oatmeal, make me some oatmeal to eat. And then what else do I want to do? Oh, Janelle and I, we have to finalize our trip because, again, we are leaving soon. Just another headache. Ugh, I'm stressed out, guys. We're going to do that, so I'll do that with you guys. And then Jade was asking for sushi today, so I might go get her sushi. And then that's it, guys. I'm sorry, guys. Today's going to be a boring vlog. I'm sorry. But, okay, so let's go do laundry and then make oatmeal. Let's go.
Some live for the bill, some kill for the bill. She whine for the bill, grind for the bill.
She used to be sweet.
Some steal for the bill, they gotta pay the bill.
She used to be
Tonight's my clef bacon, Wizzy on the bill. One man, one city, one night, one street, one journey, one dream. One chance, one opportunity, you know get that's the matter one be. Nobody can be like me. So many sacrifices. Timothy Pele tell me so. Timothy Badura Nicoro. But them people once for me. Kill on shit. Me so cool. We dance. Once for me. Kill on shit. Me so cool. We dance. Once for me. Kill on shit. Me so cool. We dance. Once for me. Kill on shit. Me so cool. We dance. That girl that make me do that, so now who got energy? Big again, she's a 10. I'ma take her to a diamond one for the present. Listen to the question. She calls me calls. She had a good day, bad day, sunny day, rainy day. All you wanna know is where my money at. So flake on the fade, party, make my bread. All you wanna know is where my money at. I ended up to walk hard, bruise them, start hard. All you wanna know is where my money at. I'ma tell you who told me cash rules everything around me. Sing it dollar dollar bill, y'all. Dollar dollar bill, y'all. Dollar dollar bill, y'all. Dollar dollar bill, y'all. I'ma tell you like who told me cash rules everything around me. Sing it dollar dollar bill, y'all. Dollar dollar bill, y'all. Dollar dollar bill, y'all. Dollar dollar bill. For them people, what's up for me? Kill on shit, me so for one. What I see, what's up for me? Kill on shit. Miss a woman, you dancing. What's up for me? Kill on fuck. Miss a woman, you dancing. What's up for me? Kill on shit. Miss a woman, you dancing. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. You dancing, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Alright guys, so I just had my breakfast. Well, it was a late breakfast. The oatmeal, which was really good. I know it wasn't like aesthetically pleasing because I don't know how to do all that, make it look cute, but it was bomb.com. Okay, bomb. So now we're gonna go walk Snowy. Yes, I'm gonna go out like this. I don't care. I'm gonna go out like this, and then we are gonna start editing this vlog. So all right, let's go. Snowy. So you don't pee. Come on, get up. You good boy. Wait. Wait. Wait, Snowy. Come. Alright guys, so it's a few hours later after walking Snowy. I am actually going to log into my Snowy scratching. You hear him? He's scratching the door to get in here. But anywho, I have my therapist meeting. It's a video call. So I am about to log into that. And then The reason I'm out of breath is because I was quickly trying to make something to eat because I was hungry. So guys, I made me a salmon burger. Bomb. Let me show y'all. I took a bite of it already. I don't know if y'all can see that. Come on, focus. Right there. Bomb, guys. Like when I tell you good, with some sweet potato fries. And then I'm going to use Polynesian sauce. So yeah, so let me log into here before it's time. I'm so hungry. And I had the oatmeal. I don't understand. Oh. How are you?
I'm doing well. You didn't forget about our session today, right?
So the thing is on it says I think I scheduled the wrong thing. Ugh, I'm sorry. So I'm looking at it right now. It says phone visit with Ashley when I'm supposed to do video call, huh?
Mm-hmm. And if it's at past the time, I can't change the
Thing.
how we do the actual session.
Okay. Can we at least do it at phone? Like phone means over the phone, right?
Yeah, phone means over the phone.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I mean, I could do. Oh, I'm fine with doing over the phone. Just next time I know I have to save video.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
I sure will. You are so welcome, dear. That is no problem at all. Do you like video better?
Yeah, I really do. I like seeing who I'm talking to, the interaction, seeing people's face expressions. It helps me better.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay. All right, well, we'll make sure it's video from now on.
Yes.
It says assign coverage. Let me see. What coverage assign? Let me add coverage. I don't know why this button kicked us.
Okay.